Track jumper. Track jumper. Track jumper.
So we are on our way to the Bubbly Pool, but we got a little walk to go. That's the baby in front. He's in charge of the walk. They is definitely in this. Might not be in it if it's too dry. Well, we gotta go through the water, y'all. Baby hates this. So we're going through the water. Got some fish. Got a little homemade. Woo!
Hey, be careful. Watch where you going. Watch the black spots.
What are these? Look at this mound or something. Still out there right now. I'm making sure we're going the right way. Like them folks from Memphis, let me make sure. You should have put those running shoes on down there.
The hike to the Bubbly Pools. Me and Bay, we on our way. It's an important notice over there. I think he said we have to go up through here. So it's gonna be a climb, y'all.
It's like up the rock.
You wanna go up first or you want me to pull you up?
It don't matter. I always know that it's gonna be the easiest way to the way that you choose.
One hand on the GoPro, one hand on the girlfriend. That way. Come on. This one. Man, it's an old ancient trail. Slaves probably used to travel on this trail. Try to get away from colonizers.
You got a card?
Huh?
You want to stick up here?
Yeah. Tight through here.
Smell like mint.
Mm-hmm. Some type of freshness. Ow! Continue. I like they got the signs, cause I was starting to second guess myself. You okay, baby? All right. You gotta make sure you check on your girlfriend. But you always gotta keep your sights ahead of you so you can see what's going on and survey the area so you can tell her if she needs to turn around or not. I'm thinking we can yoke through here. Oh, it's just a up and down. It says soon there, but it's pointing this way. So, I don't know. I smell some fresh mints growing through here. It's lush green islands, man. I love it.
Dried out?
Oh, one thing say poison.
It's dried out. Oh, not all of it.
Welcome to the Bubbly Pool.
man. We got it by ourselves.
And these are the Jost Van Dyke. This is the Jost Van Dyke Bubbly Pool, where the water from the Atlantic Ocean comes right in here. It fills this pool, and guess what, man? We got it all to ourselves. This is what I mean when I say you gotta know when to travel, man. So we came on a Sunday. What can I say, man? We're not gonna go through there. We just gonna let the water just come through here. We gonna cool it. Fuck, I'm getting in. Wait.
a sea snake. It's a sea snake. Hurry, and he's balling. Be careful.